Hi, this is Cammi TV Gaming. Today we're diving for surprise eggs. Finally! It's a squid. It's electronic. I can actually swim in water. Hold on. If it hits something, it just goes around a circle.
So you're gonna swim around while you dive for your surprise eggs?
Yeah, and I have to catch him at the end.
Oh, catch him at the end? That's a good idea.
With the beach ball.
All right.
I have to like hold the beach ball or swim and then catch him. We suck all the eggs.
So you put all the eggs all over the pool. We sunk all the surprise eggs. And now you have to go under and you have to get them all.
And in the middle we'll see what we got. And at the end I chase this dude.
So he's gonna swim around the whole time, and at the end you're gonna catch him. Right?
Okay.
Got him? There he goes.
So should I start? Should I?
Yep, go for it.
I scraped my legs.
Okay.
No.
Put him in the bucket to the end.
Okay. That still is really annoying now. Look at him.
Put him in the bucket.
See, that opened.
That's all right, we won't look.
And that one opens.
Just...
So, don't look. So it's time to do this again.
All right, back under.
We're gonna do this again.
And down for more.
And a few eggs opened, and while you were gone.
A couple of them came open.
Yeah.
All right, that's all right.
I got some eggs.
You get a lot of them that time. Wow, put them in the bucket.
It's hard because I have so many.
How many more you got to go?
I think we're done.
That's all of them?
Let's open. Oh, this one's full.
Oh no! We got all the eggs and we brought them up, so let's see what we got.
Hello Kitty, friend.
Hello Kitty, friend. Cool.
This one. We put some weights in them. It looked like Easter eggs.
Yeah, some of them have weights, so they would sink a little easier.
A Barbie puppy.
Barbie puppy.
And a Flintstone doll.
Nice.
It's from the dino. I have that set because Daddy won't have a braid.
Okay.
Melly.
From
Doc McStuffins.
Doc McStuffins, cool.
Ah, this has water all over it.
Well, there's still water in them.
There, I opened two at the same time.
All right, what else did you get?
We got, right now, two more weights.
The weights. All right, move the weights out of the way.
Shopkins. This
Nice.
was in one egg, two Shopkins. And the other egg, there was a chipmunk from Little's Pet Shop.
Nice.
And another Shopkin.
All right.
We have a lot of Shopkins.
I love the Shopkins.
Okay.
Oh, I see some ponies.
My Little Pony. A balloon.
Nice.
And Caribbean, we got some jewels.
Oh, it's a jewel?
Mm-hmm. Can I please open this one? It looks so nice from the inside.
Go ahead.
Okay, hold that. We got more weights.
More weights.
More eggs. I used to have these little dolls. I came with puppies.
Cute little puppy dog.
And another chipmunk from Lou is Ketchup.
Right.
I don't know if this is a dog or a cat.
Well, let's ask. Let's see it. Let's see it.
I don't know what it is.
I don't know, everybody. What do you think that is?
I think it's a chipmunk. Okay. These are our friends. There's another friend, I just can't find her.
Who are they? The My Little Ponies?
Apple Blue and Sweetie Belle.
Okay.
Another Jewel.
And another Jewel. Very
And
nice.
more weights. And Cinderella.
Cinderella too?
We got this for Christmas. It was in a little fly bag. Or my birthday, I don't know.
It's cute.
Shopkins? Ah!
Oh, fell in.
Shopkins? Another way. And I don't know what these are called, but they're pretty fun.
Just a little monkey character.
Oh,
I think we got that from a vending machine.
yeah, I think.
Yeah.
Now, drag this over here to me. Everybody knows his name.
Who's that?
Chomp.
Chomp?
I can't remember.
Is it Sharky?
Yeah, I think it was Sharky.
Sharky? Yeah, set him down.
Or Mr. Chomps.
Mr. Chomps, maybe? Yeah.
Tell us in the comments because I haven't watched that Darkness stuff in a while. And another Jewel.
Another Jewel. Very nice.
Sure, I'm just gonna open two at the same time. Oh, this egg is probably my favorite. We don't know what these are called too, but they look like, hold on.
Can't see it.
I'll show you in a minute. Zooms or something. No, squeakies. And it looks like egg mixed together. Watch. Look. Except he has a mustache. It's this one. That egg I opened a few minutes ago is my favorite one. Two more weights.
It does kind of look like anger from Inside Out, huh?
2 weights.
2 weights.
Raspberry.
Raspberry?
And everybody knows his name.
Who's that?
Princess and the Frog.
Is that the prince?
Yep.
Who? What was his name?
Naveen.
Naveen? Got more?
Yes. Right?
I think so.
Here, I'm gonna open these on my lap. Oh, this is so cold. There's water on my legs. Oh.
Alright, let's see.
Plum. Everybody knows Plum from Strawberry Shortcake. Summer. She is from the Pets. She is Rapunzel's pets. What are they called? Beauty pets?
Princess Pets?
Yes, princess pets. Llama.
Lammy.
2 weights.
2 weights.
A Loopsy bunny.
A lot of Loopsy Bunny. Let's see.
Hold on. And a car.
Where's the bunny?
Yay. I want to put her in the truck.
A lot of Loopsy Bunny and a police car too. Wow.
My brothers gave that to me.
Yeah.
Well, my grandma gave it to the boys, and then the boys gave it to me.
You got some cool stuff.
Now I'm gonna try to chase this one down the coast because I am freezing.
Getting cold?
Yep. Now let's see if I can catch him.
Alright, go for it.
Hold on, let him get started.
There he goes. There he goes.
Come on, you're still down there. Got him. We got to do 3 rounds of this.
Alright.
So this is round 1. Round 2. This one's gonna be harder. He's going too down there. Come on. Come here!
There he goes. I think you should get in and dive for him.
No! That's gonna make me so cold! Look at squid! How is he so fat? Got him!
Nice.
Now one more round, and he won the second round. 1, 2, 3.
There he goes.
I gotta catch this dude or you'll win!
Where'd he go?
I'm in the water!
He's under? Up, there he comes.
Come here!
You under there? There he is.
Okay, he's not winning this.
Get him.
You win!
Nice.
So make sure to like and subscribe to Cammi TV, and we'll do another diving video, but with the squid, but we'll do that first. Okay?
All right. Bye.
Bye!